Hello students, welcome to eSuvidya program. Hope you all are fine and safe. Students, today I will tell you a story. ମୁଁ ଆଜି ତୁମକୁ ଗୋଟେ ଗପ କହିବି. Are you all interested for listening story? ତମେ ସମସ୍ତେ ଗପ ଶୁଣିବାକୁ ଭଲ ପାଅ? So, look at your whiteboard. ତୁମେ ତୁମ whiteboard କୁ ଦେଖ and say to me, what is this? Yes, this is a picture of a mouse. It is a mouse. ଏହା ଗୋଟିଏ ମୂଷା ବା ମୂଷାର ଚିତ୍ର. And what is this? And which picture it is? Yes, it is a picture of a cat. ଏହା ଗୋଟିଏ ବିଲେଇର ଚିତ୍ର ଅଟେ. So today your story is on the cat and the mouse. ତୁମର ଆଜିର ଗପଟି କାହା ଉପରେ ଅଛି? ବିଲେଇ ଏବଂ ମୂଷା ଉପରେ ଅଛି. So students, first we will read your story. First we will read your story. So look at your page number 12. ଆମେ ପ୍ରଥମେ ଗପଟିକୁ ପଢ଼ିବା. ତେଣୁ ତୁମେ ତୁମ ବହିକୁ ଦେଖ. So your story is, there was a cat. There was a cat and cat was very hungry. There was a cat and cat was very hungry. And there was a mouse. The mouse was inside his hole. There was a mouse and mouse was inside his hole. Then cat, come out, come out. The weather is cool. Come out, come out. The weather is cool. Then mouse, it's good for me. It's good for me to stay in my hole. It's good for me to stay in my hole. So students, have you understood the story? तुम गप्पटी को बुझिल? No. Let's discuss. We'll discuss about your story. ताहले चलो आमे तुम बहिर गप्प विषय रे आलोचना करिबा. And your story is, there was a cat. There was a cat. That means गोटिए बिलेई थिला. There was a cat and there was a mouse. एवं गोटिए तुमर कौन थिला? मूसाटे थिला. There was a cat and cat was hungry. Cat was hungry. Cat was कौन थिला? Cat was hungry. H-U-N-G-R-O. What is the meaning of hungry? When you feel hungry, what you say to your mother? Mama, I am feeling so hungry. Give me some food to eat. Yes or no? आमे जेते बेले we feel so hungry. आमे जेते बहुत जोर भोकिला अनुभव करू आमे कौन कहू? जे मामा gives us some food to eat. आमो किछि खाद्य दियो खाइबा पाई. तो what is the meaning of hungry? Hungry means भोकिला. तो there was a cat and the cat was hungry. cat टी कौन थिला? भोकिला थिला. And there was a mouse. गोटे मूसाटे थिला. And the mouse was inside his hole. Where is the mouse? Inside. I-N-S-I-D. Inside his hole. His H-O-L-E. What is the meaning of inside? Look at this picture. The mouse is inside the hole. Where was the cat was outside the hole. The cat was, where was the cat? The cat was outside the hole. So what is the meaning of inside? Here the mouse is inside the hole. Here inside means bhittare. Inside means bhittare. And the opposite of inside is outside. Outside means कौन आले? बाहरे. So students, the opposite of inside is outside. What is the opposite means? Opposite means viparita shabda. OPPOSITE. Opposite. Opposite word. Opposite means आमे ओडिया रे तुम्हें पढ़िछ जे विपरीत शब्द. विपरीत शब्द word means शब्द. तो जेपरी तुम्हें ओडिया रे पढ़िछ जे तुमर कोन भलर विपरीत कोन मंद दिनर कोन राति सेही भलिया तुमर इंग्लिश रे विपरीत शब्द को ऑपोजिट वर्ड बेलका कहा जाय. सो हियर द inside 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 means भितरे and its opposite word is outside. Now the rat was inside his hole. तमर कौन थिला बिल मुसाडी तार the mouse was inside his hole. ता मुसाडी तार गात भितरे थिला. So the cat, as the cat was very hungry, cat कौन थिला बहुत भोकिला थिला. So he wanted to eat the mouse. So he wanted to eat kahaku eat the mouse. So सेति पई wanted means सेता को चाहिला काहाकू खाइबा को मूसा को खाइबा पाई. So he thought what shall I do to make the mouse come out of her hole. So he thought what shall I do to make the mouse to come out of her hole. तेणु से he thought से भाबिला केमितिया से मूसा को ता गात भितरु से केमितिया मूसा को ताको काढिबो. So he said to the mouse, तेणु से कौन कहला माउस को कहला. So he said to the mouse, come out, come out, come out, come out. What is the meaning of come? Come means COME. Come. What is the meaning of come? Come means asiba. And the opposite word of come means go. You go to school at 10 o'clock and come back from school at 4 o'clock. तुम्हें कितने बेले go? तुम्हें सब बेले जाओ. Every day you go to school at 10 o'clock. तुम्हें सब बेले 10 रे जाओ and come back at केते तुम्हें कितने बेले फेरे आसो बा फेरो at 4 o'clock. So the cat said to the mouse, come out, come out. तुम्हें बाहर को आसो. The weather is cool. The weather is cool. Then what is the meaning of weather? WEATHER. What is the meaning of weather? So students, tell me, when do you wear sweater? When do you wear sweater? When do you wear sweater? When the weather is cool. तुम्हें कितने बेले स्वेटर पिंदो? When the weather is cool. हमर जिते बेले पाग कौन थाए ठंडा थाए तुम्हें सेते बेले कौन करो स्वेटर पिंधी थाओ. Like that we keep the umbrella. आमे कौन करू umbrella सांगरे नेक जाऊ. We keep the umbrella when the weather is rainy. आमे जिते बेले वर्षा पाग थाए आमे कौन करू आमे छत्ता को नेकी आम सांगरे जाई थाओ. तो what is the meaning of weather here? Weather means पाग. So the cat said to the mouse, the weather is cool. Cool. Cool means thanda. COOL. Cool means thanda. And the opposite of cool is hot. HOT. Hot means garama. Hot means garama. So the weather is cool. Then what the mouse said? ताले कौन तुम्हारा भावुच what you think तुम्हें कौन भावुच what the mouse said to the cat से कौन कही थिबो. The mouse also mouse is also was also very clever. बिल मुसाटी तुबर कौन बहुत चतुर थिला. was also very clever. से बहुत चतुर थिला. So knowing well the intention of the cat, knowing well. से कौन intention of the intention or plan of the cat. से कौन से जानी पारिला जे cat कौन पाई ताकू डाकुची. So she said to the cat. से तेणु कौन को cat को कहिला it's good for me. It's good. What is the meaning of good? Yes, good means bhalo. It's good for me. Then opposite of good is bad. B-A-D. Bad means kharab. Yes or no? Ramu is a good boy and Samu is a bad boy. Bad means kharab. Good means bhalo. So the mouse replied to the cat, it's good for me to stay in my home. To stay. What is the meaning of stay? So students, you tell me, where do you stay in your school? तुम्हें तुम स्कूल रे केउठारे रुह? Where do you stay in your school? You stay in the school hostel. Yes or no? You all are stay in your school hostel. So what is the meaning of stay? Stay means rahiba. So the mouse replied to the cat, it will good for me to stay in my hole. In my hole. Then what is the meaning of hole? Where does the mouse live? Yes, where does the mouse live? The mouse live in his hole. The mouse live in the hole. Where does the snake live? Sapa keunthare ruhe? The snake also live in the hole. And where does the birds live? Yes, the birds lives in the tree. Amara gachare pakhi mane rahi thandi. So holes means gato. The mouse live in hole. Hole means gato. So the mouse replied to the cat that it is good for me. I will to stay with my home. It is good for me to stay in my home. Mo ghar bhitere rahiba mo pai bhalo ate. So students, have you enjoyed the have you understood the story? Yes. So students, now you give me some question answer. And your first question is, who are there in the story? And your answer will be, who are there in the story? Amar gopare kiye se thile? And your answer will be kon hoba? There a mouse and a cat are there in the story. A mouse and a cat are there in the story. Then who was hungry? Who was hungry? Who was hungry? The cat was hungry. Amara bileti bhokila thila. Then where was the mouse? Where was the mouse? Mouse keunthare thila? The mouse was inside his hole. Mouse ti kaha kodila? Inside his hole. Ta ghar bhitare thila. Then next question is, who said the weather is cool? Who said? The cat said. The cat said the weather is cool. What did the mouse say? The कौन ताले भी मूसा कौन कहला? What did the mouse say? The mouse said it's good for me to stay in my hole. So student, this is all about your story. Hope you understood the story. So you will read the story at your home. See in your next class. Thank you.